Okay, here's Big Bird.
No, I want Big Bird.
What?
Fire Big Bird.
Fire Big Bird?
Yeah.
You want to fire Big Bird?
Not one Big Bird.
You want to fire Big Bird?
Yeah.
You don't like Big Bird?
No, but I think Mommy's swimming.
Yeah, but you don't want to watch Big Bird?
No.
No?
I watch Big Bird.
You don't want to watch Big Bird.
I watch wheels.
But you want to fire Big Bird?
No wheels.
You want to watch whales? You don't want to watch Big Bird? But you want to fire Big Bird?
I need wheels.
Why do you want to fire Big Bird?
I need to, but I am hard.
Yeah, but why do you want to fire Big Bird? Do you want to just not watch him?
No, no. I need Daddy on.
You want to watch Big Bird?
I watch
You
wheels.
don't like Big Bird, huh? Okay. So I guess Big Bird, you're getting fired.
Daddy.
That's funny, huh?